All right. Let's telnet to gaia.cs.umass.edu at port 80. All right. Connect it to gaia.cs.umass.edu. Now let's pretend to be a web browser. Get. Oh, wow, that's pretty long. The path in the file, pretty long. Let's copy it from the slides. And over here and print. All right. And then host. poly.ntu.edu. How about that? All right. And one more empty line to indicate this is the end of the header lines. There we go. Wow, it's returning a lot of things. Scroll back, and scroll back. Wow, very long in fact. But it looks like it's an HTML file, right? It's an HTML file. This is a hyperlink to an text HTML file. Okay, let me scroll a bit faster. I don't know how long this is. Oh, there we are. Yeah, so we typed up this line here. Okay, and we also say we are host poly.ntu.edu.tw. And an empty line and then return again. The whole message gets out to the web server at gaia.cs.umass.edu. And the web server returns this. http:/11 to the 200, okay. And header lines, number 1, the date. Header line number 2, the server. Oh, it's an Apache server. X power by PHP, I see. Content lengths, content types. And hey, empty line to indicate this is the end of the header lines. And starting from here, the real body. Okay. So we get the output of calling this PHP query at this path. Let's see. Interactive problems, computer networking, a top-down approach. Oh, okay. So this looks like the main page of all these interactive exercises that we see every now and then on the slides. All right. So there, essentially very text-based interaction between the client and the server. As human beings, we could also do it right here, right now, online, as a web browser. All right, good. And I think, let me just go back a little bit here. You see it here? 200 is a very classic example of, hey, the syntax defined in an application layer protocol. In HTTP, to be exact, 200 is to indicate OK. So OK here is just to say it explicitly, the semantic of 200, right? So that concludes the messages format, semantics and syntax of HTTP.